Our mini runner system's main benefits are that it can save you raw material, reduce overall runner weight, and increase productivity by reducing cycle time, downtime, and energy consumption, thus giving you a more consistent product. Your mold maker can easily maintain our mini runner system. The MSK Singapore mini runner system can accommodate nozzle pitching as little as 20 mm, maximizing each production cycle. Our mini runner system design is straightforward and simple. It consists of a manifold with a built-in heater cartridge, sprue bush, and nozzles. It is highly efficient and very suitable for miniature products. Converting your current mold to our mini runner system is simple. These diagrams show how easy it is to convert from a 2-plate cold runner mold to our mini runner system. Converting a 3-plate cold runner mold into our mini runner system is just as easy. From this example video, you can see our mini runner system only requires an additional plate on a 2-plate mold and can be easily fitted into your mold. We offer various types of mini runner system manifolds and can customize irregular manifold types as well. We also design manifolds to run on 2 colors or to work with 2 materials. The extended nozzles used in the mini runner system are uniquely designed to prevent resin drooling and stringing. These nozzles are designed without heating elements to avoid overheating the material and therefore consumes less energy. Our nozzles use a valveless open tip and can prevent material drooling when coupled with our proprietary designed contact bush. From this video, you can see how easy our extended nozzle maintenance and replacement process is. Hot runner systems require more energy consumption as they typically need more heating points. Multiple heating points lead to higher temperature areas, which are likely to affect material properties and final product quality. In comparison, the mini runner system has a centralized heater in the manifold, which requires less energy consumption to maintain temperature. This means there is no gap and step in the material channel, avoiding any material carbonizing in the channel and minimizing heat loss. Our mini runner system fits easily into molds, thus reducing setup time. It requires a shorter changeover material time, and less material is needed to clean the channel. Resource savings are also significant. It requires only 1 or 2 temperature zones for the whole system and can maintain temperature variance within 4 degrees Celsius. This means it requires less energy. You can expect up to 80% reduction in material wastage compared to semi-hot and hot runner systems. This leads to lower investment costs and faster returns. Here is an ROI savings comparison using our mini runner system versus a hot runner system. And here you can see energy cost savings compared to the hot runner system. Here you'll see the downtime savings comparisons, leading to a total estimated cost savings of almost $25,000 a year, based on the example of one machine over 1 year running a full load output. Here are some case studies from our clients showing huge savings on materials used and shorter cycle times after converting from cold runner systems to our mini runner system. Our mini runner system is very suitable for miniature molded pots and can be used with a full range of plastics and even with alloy materials.